The Adventures of Luna and the Magical Forest. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by towering mountains, there lived a curious little girl named Luna. Luna had big, bright eyes, and her favorite thing in the world was exploring nature. Every day after school, she would wander through the fields, talking to birds, picking flowers, and imagining all sorts of magical worlds. One sunny afternoon, while wandering deeper into the forest than usual, Luna came across a sparkling, golden butterfly. Its wings shimmered like stars, and it seemed to be beckoning her to follow. "Where are you going, little butterfly?" Luna asked softly, but the butterfly only fluttered further into the forest. Curious and excited, Luna decided to follow. As Luna ventured further, she noticed the trees were taller, and the leaves glowed in soft hues of blue and purple. She had stumbled upon a magical part of the forest, a place where no one had been before. The air was filled with the sweet sound of music, squirrels playing violins made of twigs, and birds singing along in harmony. "Welcome to the enchanted forest," said a cheerful voice. Luna spun around to see a tiny, green creature with a mushroom hat standing before her. "I'm Tico, the forest sprite. I help keep the forest magical and safe." "Wow!" Luna exclaimed, "I've never seen a place like this. Can I explore it?" "Of course," said Tico, "but be careful. The forest is full of wonders, but also a few challenges. You might need to help us along the way." Excited, Luna and Tico wandered through the magical forest. They met talking animals, found rivers that flowed with rainbow-colored water, and even saw flowers that giggled when touched. It was the most amazing adventure Luna had ever had. But soon, they came across a big, old tree with a grumpy face carved into its bark. "Who dares enter my part of the forest?" the tree boomed. Luna stepped forward bravely. "I'm Luna, and I'm just exploring. We mean no harm." The tree frowned. "I guard the forest's magic, and something is wrong. The magic is fading, and I don't know why." Tico looked worried. "If the magic fades, the forest will lose its sparkle." Luna thought for a moment, then had an idea. "Maybe the magic needs a little kindness. In my world, when people share kindness, it spreads happiness." "Kindness, you say?" the tree said thoughtfully. "That could work. The forest hasn't seen a lot of kindness lately." Luna smiled and reached out to the tree. "Here, let me start." She gave the tree a gentle hug. Slowly, the tree's leaves began to glow, and a soft breeze swirled around them. "It's working!" Tico cheered. "You're bringing the magic back." One by one, the creatures of the forest came out, and Luna shared her kindness with them, helping a bird fix its nest, comforting a shy deer, and even sharing stories with a lonely fox. With every act of kindness, the forest grew brighter and more magical. By the time the sun began to set, the enchanted forest was shining brighter than ever before. The old tree, no longer grumpy, thanked Luna with a twinkle in its eye. "You saved our magic, Luna. You're always welcome here." Luna waved goodbye to her new friends and promised to visit again soon. As she made her way home, the golden butterfly appeared once more, leading her back to the village. Luna's heart was full of joy, and she knew she'd always remember the magical forest and the lesson she learned: kindness is the most powerful magic of all. And from that day on, Luna continued to spread kindness wherever she went, knowing that a little bit of love could brighten any world, magical or not. The end. Please look, share, subscribe and comment if you like the story.